Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my birthday nails and for that I'm preparing my nails with some basic steps and then I'll make them long with the extension gels. This time I'm using the soft buffer to make my natural nails little bit rough and dry because it's gonna be my birthday set, and my birthday is on 25 August. So I make sure that they stay strong on my birthday. I usually don't use the buffers on my natural nails, but if I want to keep them for many days, then I use buffer steps to make my extension gels strongly adhesive. Base coat is done, now it's extension time and I bought my first soft gel tips box. It's from 3 stocks and I have many products which are from this company. I wanted to buy the long square ones but I did not find them on any site in affordable price. So I decided to buy these long coffin tips. And guys, now I got my pinky fingernail size. It's perfect, otherwise I always used to cut those nail molds during this finger extension. Let's make the extensions and I hope they come as I want. I usually make my nails extensions separately and apply them later, but I'm not gonna do that now. I'm applying my hard gel on the tips and directly place them onto my nails and cure for 60 seconds. But first I cure them in my mini lamp for better adjustments and angles and then keep them in big lamp to fully cure the remain uncured gel. Here I did these both steps and trying to pull this up to get my gel extensions. It came off easily and look at this, it's perfect. Doing this for all, and guys, one thing I noticed in these tips is that they are very flexible. But if you bend them, then you will feel that they are going to break in a second. I did not show you the real time of pulling these off, but they take time to get off to the gel layers. Of course, these are nail extensions in themselves, but I am using these in my way. If I want to be them as extensions, I'll definitely make in future. But for now, I'm gonna use this like this. And I faced one problem with these. I don't know why this nail got attached that much strongly to the gel layer. It broke and I applied my whole power to get this off. And pull the plan B. My both middle and ring finger have same size, so I used that tip for this. Final and last one. These have some loose cured gel from the cuticle side and I am buffing and apply overlay method on all the nails to prevent lifting problems. Now it's time to cut them according to my desired length and make both the surface smooth in some steps. Apply my measuring head to make all the nails equal. This time I took my scissor and focus on one line, then measure all the nails compared to that line distance. Apply the top coat downside the nails to make them shiny and pretty. We use top coat here to cover up the stickiness of the hard gels because when I started to do this all stuff, then I never ever applied top coat downside. I'm using the base coat before doing the design and I did not use this base coat yet. I opened this today and it has some weird smell. I have top coat with same label but that doesn't have this smell. Nails are ready to design. These are the colors and charms which I'm gonna use today. I'll take them on a thin sheet one by one to make the design process easy. Mixing them well because they have some other chemical liquids in which can be separate when we don't use them regularly. Both are different blues, okay? Let's start to paint the base. Cinnamon roll has some common color shades which are pink, blue and white. So I'll make the base accordingly. I bought this sponge box with holder and I am thinking that I should make ombre effect. And again, I decided to go with the sponges to create the ombre or like aura effect. But I don't know why this sponge is absorbing the gel instead of taking it out. Never mind, brushes are the real hero in nail industry. I applied good quantity of blue shade and then put some drops of top coat on that without curing. And can you see that? It worked exactly like blooming gel, another hack found. I'm making some random lines which appear like nail scratches. Apply the top coat and then move to the 3D charms part. I'm gonna create this cinnamon roll cartoon character. I made this video a month ago, so I added this now to show you that how I created these charms. I don't have ready-made charms in cartoon characters and don't have those silicone molds to make one. I take one day to create the charms for my next nail art videos. You see my videos in some minutes and they literally take my many days to prepare for. I'm creating some tiny tulips and focusing on the details, but I don't know how they will come after coloring. I think they are big, or I can say my hands are so small. I made them possibly small as much as I could. But it's a thing that I should have thought about this before make this pretty nail design. Now I changed my mind. I made 5 roll charms, but I'm not gonna put all of them. This is the final look. I personally love this set, especially the thumb and pinky finger. They got their perfect match of charms, shades, and designs. I hope you love my birthday nail set too. This is the front camera. Anyways, see you in my next video. Bye.